If you need to reschedule your Flynas flight, the first step is to get in touch with their customer service department or visit their website. Flynas offers passengers the option to change their flight dates, times, and even destinations, as long as there is availability and fair conditions permit. It's important to note that there may be extra fees associated with modifying your flight, so it's wise to inquire about the specific terms and conditions for rescheduling beforehand. To make the process smoother, it's recommended to have your booking reference number and flight details on hand when reaching out to Flynas. Once your new flight is confirmed, remember to also rebook any necessary accommodations or transportation arrangements to prevent any disruptions to your travel itinerary.
Our flight network works with all major airlines for seamless flight reservations. We assist with booking, cancellations, time changes, and more. Need to reschedule, check in, or upgrade? We've got you covered. Call us at 1321-461-8832 for all your flight reservation needs. For seamless travel experiences, trust our network and call us today.